braking.
Strategy.
Alright, let's see how we do. Nice. I don't even know why I'm in the car.
Oh, I need plenty more help. Debris flag.
They may not see that, they can't. It's in a bad spot. Okay.
I was trying to go left. I thought I had a little more room.
The only issue you have is brake harder than 11.
Okay. Brake harder?
Yeah. Don't
Okay.
stress it out so long, you'll glaze your brakes.
Okay.
The brakes, you don't want to stop. Like you're getting off the freeway.
Okay. Was the timing okay, or I just need
no, the timing was fine. You could have broke probably an extra 20 feet later.
Okay.
Broke harder and achieved the same, radius.
Sure. Pull off.
There you go. Alright, let's try this again.
supposed to pass on the left though, right?
Yeah, you can. The line is here.
Okay.
You are to pass on the left, but they don't want you to pass past the flag station.
Okay.
If you're on almost there, then finish it, but
okay.
They don't want you to pinch the wall.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay.
There's one thing I'll have you work on, and it seems like you only do it during turn 11. It's your crossed over.
Okay, should I reposition my hands?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not locked. You want to be able to flip your hands around a little bit on those kind of turns.
Okay.
space and you go around.
The Corolla.
Unwind the wheel, go, 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 go. Alright, so the red bed isn't comfortable, so on turn 10 coming off, let's see what we can do with that.
I'll stay close. Yeah, he should be.
Check out the last one.
Hell yeah. That wasn't completed.
No, that's me distracting you to see if you can still hold it.
I recognize it.
Nope. Roll the throttle. That's too many.
Yeah, no room.
Still not even out of 6 yet. This turn will get you in trouble if you overcook it.
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
That was more of a hard gas and then go.
Okay.
out of balance, it's either going to push or you're going to feel the rear end start to come around, but it tends to be gradual based on your roll on. Like turn 6, the carousel, you can anticipate it.
Yeah.
That turn is so neutered that your car can go through that a lot faster.
Okay. So you're saying like kind of keep that maintenance throttle to keep it under load and keep moving, or?
Well, you keep it, but you want to increase it until you figure out how your car's dynamic, the tire, all that pertains to it.
Okay.
At these slow speeds, you're hitting your marks and you're doing what you're doing, what you're doing, arm out. But you have all the bases, but you notice when you started picking up speed, you're starting to make those little mistakes, right? You're starting to learn what you need to do in those situations. Oh, I can't take that turn at that speed, or I need to brake earlier or later.
I tried to get a dip. So for 11, hand position wise, should I like?
So I go over and I just roll the hands over. I didn't catch your last lap, so
It was sloppy.
So, but when you're like this, look at your arms. If something happens, you've got no leverage.
So just shift just enough to give you...
Yeah, you pick up your hand and you move it over.
Okay.
And you pick up your hand, you pull it back.
Okay.
It's just once it becomes natural, it won't be no thing.
Yeah, I had worked on that. I had found something that was comfortable my last track day, but I'm realizing I wasn't really using it today, so that's a great point for me to work on.
It's probably about the only